Hey guys, what's up? So basically, I want to talk about the match, the Man U versus Chelsea. God, 2-2 scoreline. It pissed me off, make I not lie. But I dey happy with my boys. First and foremostly, I dey happy with Anthony Martial. I believe say the guy don't improve in game. Now, I won't pick on the issue wey happen for the dying minute between Jose Mourinho and that idiot wey come celebrate for in front. I know say it dey good when you score dying minute goal, but the fact that you could just come jump in front of person they celebrate, you dey mad. Next off, now Juventus we go play right now. So I want to talk about one particular person in that whole Man U versus Chelsea match where I believe say no supposed to start for United. That person is Marcus Rashford. Him not the only person we dey out of sync. Even though I know say na him do assist for the Martial goal, me I believe say he not supposed to start for United. The same way he take any place for England team, now he supposed to in place for United. Even if they want to start up, make them play him for Lukaku's position. Yeah, I want to talk about the substitution which Jose Mourinho make when he come the lead against Chelsea. The only person when me I believe say he's supposed to remove from that game now Rashford, and he's supposed to put Sanchez. If say we power the pressure from start to finish, it sure me say we for don't win that match, because the team which starts that match no bad. It even shocked me when he removed Martial.